Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about one press working operation, that is bending operation. Earlier in this video, I have discussed about what is press working. So if you know more about what is press working, then must watch this video. So what is bending operation? If we want to deform any sheet metal to a particular axis, to V shape or U shape or any other shape using a set of punch and die, that is called bending press operation. So in press working, bending is the process of deforming a sheet metal or other material along a straight axis to create an angular shape or curve. This is achieved by applying force through a press machine where the material is placed over a die and pressed by a punch, causing it to bend without altering its thickness. So we are placing any sheet metal to a die, which die is previously shaped to V shape or U shape or any other shape which we want to impress that shape on the sheet metal. Then we place the sheet metal on that die. Let us we want to shape the sheet metal into this shape. We are using this kind of die. This is sheet metal. This is slightly deformed. Before deformation, the sheet metal was straight. So we have placed the sheet metal like this, and this is punch. The punch is a special shaped type. When we apply force, the sheet metal was straight. After getting little force, it gets bent like this. If we want to bend sheet metal into V shape, then the die should be like V shape, and if we want to shape the sheet metal into U shape, the die must be like U shape. We can also see bending operation in this figure also. The bending angle is very lower in this case, and in this case the bending angle is very high. So here we have to apply more force and we have to apply less force in this case. Here we can see also bending operation, but little different from these two figures. We are bending a sheet metal, applying force on the edge. So this is edge bending. So bending is commonly used in manufacturing processes to create parts like brackets, enclosures, frames, etc. So what are the key features of bending operation? The first is die and punch. We have to use specially shaped die and punch to create specially shaped bending on the sheet metal. The shape can be V or U or any other shape. Then the angle. So if we want to bend any sheet metal into a desired angle, then we have to determine the bending angle. Because this angle is very important, we have to design the die and punch and apply the force depending on the angle. The elastic recovery. When we are trying to bend any sheet metal, let's take this one. When we are bending this one, after we release the force, the sheet metal will try to recover its original shape. So if the bending angle is 30 degree, then it will increase to 32 degree or 35 degree. So there is a reverse action. So we have to account this when we are bending any material. Last one is the material. We can't bending any kind of material. The material which have ductile property in it, we can bend only that kind of material. Next, the common type of bending. The most common types of bendings are V bending, U bending and edge bending. You know the V bending and U bending. The edge bending is I have discussed earlier. This is edge bending. So in this video I have discussed about the press working operation, that is bending operation. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.